this
Okay.
in the write this
Okay.
add info message.
Add info message, right? Yeah.
Yeah, and open the brackets, parenthesis,
Okay.
give your name in the string,
Oh, sorry. Yeah.
something like Annada or test one, something, anything in string,
Yeah.
and the copy the same line and give it in the if block.
Okay. Eighth block, right?
In if block.
If block. Okay.
No, before seventh line. Give it before seventh line.
Okay.
And give it one, Annada one. Annada one. I'm
Okay.
sorry, if I'm pronouncing it wrong because I'm not able to pronounce. I
Yeah,
don't
no
know how
problem.
I should
Yeah.
pronounce it. Yeah. So just save it and
Just
refresh
a
the
second.
incident form. So what I'm trying to do is like, so if the code is at least running, even if it's not going into the if block, even if the script is running, so we
Yeah.
should get that Annada. Annada is the info message, right? So go to the
Okay.
incident
Yes.
form. I think it's in the next page, right? In the next tab.
Yeah, it is there.
Just refresh the form. So if the state is changed by you now, so you should get
Yeah.
the info message at least.
Yeah.
Change the state. No, you're not even getting the info message.
Yeah.
So when the client script is not at all running,
Correct. No, no, no.
so
Nothing,
it's
nothing is
not your
happening.
mistake actually. Sometimes it happens.
Okay.
Go to the previous tab, deactivate it,
Oh, yeah, sure. Just a second.
deactivate and copy the code and create a new client script.
Oh, minimize this one. Oh,
You can pull it to down actually.
yeah, yeah, yeah. Got it. Yes. Okay. Yeah. So I have deactivated it. Like,
Yeah, and save. Just copy the code and create a new client script for that.
okay.
Have you created another client script for this by any chance?
Uh, no, because yeah, I have saved it multiple time, but like those were not running at all. So I'm not sure.
Okay, copy the code once again. I
Okay.
think no. Go to the top ones.
Okay. Yeah.
See, there is no wrong in this. So everything is perfect. So it should work actually. If I'm not information, even if you get the information, but it's not running. Sometimes it happens. It's not our problem. It's the instance problem. Did
So
uh did it work for
the,
anyone? Jagadish, Ishwar, Mayuri, Srikanth, Niketan.
No, Kalki, I'm for me also facing the same issue.
You haven't tried, or you tried but it's not working.
Yes, I
it's
tried,
running.
but I have the same issue like Nada.
For anyone, it's working.
Yes, for me, so Kalki, there is nothing to do with this scope,
Wait, wait,
right?
wait.
Because yeah, sure.
Yeah, I think someone is speaking.
Yes, for me it's working,
Jagadish is
Kalki.
okay. It's working. Jagadish, it's working, and I think Srikanth is also working. I think the code is same, right? I think the code is definitely
Yes.
okay. Jagadish is not work. Oh yeah, Jagadish is working. I think definitely the code is same. The logic will be definitely same, but it might be your issue with your client script. Once make it active and make this isolate script as false once. Make this active and make this isolate script as yeah, go down false. It doesn't matter actually. Those isolate script is for different purpose.
Okay.
If you want to use some window objects, it's like different thing actually. Once refresh,
Yeah.
so I'm gonna change the state. Perfect. Go back, deactivate it, deactivate the client script and copy the code and create a client script.
Okay.
Copy the code.
Yeah. Just a second. Yeah.
Wait. No, no. Wait. No, no.
Like,
Before no. Go back. Give the filter as incident table. Give the filter for incident table.
no, it's not there.
No, click on this magnifier symbol firstly. Click on the
Sure.
magnifier symbol beside name. Yeah. Now give the table. Give incident in table, not in name. In table.
Sorry, sorry. Yeah. Sure.
Enter. No. You should give only incident, not table.
Okay. Okay. Yeah.
You know it, right? It's also a field. So sorry with updated.
Hello. Hello.
Yeah, Javish.
Yeah, my microphone was not working, so I was just checking.
Sure, no
Thank you.
problem.
Yeah. For me, the
Uh,
first thing that worked actually, that thing has worked, the first condition. But the
mhm,
rest I didn't do because of the like I was from 2 days I was away from home, so it was like
fine.
my birthday and celebration was going on, so that was the reason.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, then belated happy birthday.
Thank you, thank you.
Okay. So add a Prasad, add a new column, field.
Okay.
Add a field column onto the list.
Okay.
How you will
Just a
add a
second.
column? No, use the gear icon.
Yeah.
Get habituated with the gear icon. Because you're
Okay.
admin, you will have access for configure list. But if you use it, it will be changed for everyone. Okay.
So, okay.
Yeah,
So,
field name.
field name. Okay. Just a second.
Okay.
Yes.
S-
Added.
Wait. See, where there are multiple client scripts running.
Like those scripts I have only created,
See,
like this
you have
assignment group
created
and stuff.
flow 4 client scripts for this, and all are active.
Okay. Like, but those were not running in the form,
See, all are for on change and all are for state field only. That's
right?
the problem. So deactivate,
Okay.
deactivate second, no, not second one, third, fourth, fifth.
Okay.
No, third,
Third,
fourth,
fourth,
fifth.
fifth.
Deactivate third,
Okay.
fourth, fifth. So because of this is also it might be the reason.
Okay.
So if you feel something is not working, deactivate it. If you make it like that, wait, not like that, not that one. I think it's not that
Okay.
one because it's for IT vendor management application. But I think you created it for incident table only. Yeah, deactivate those also. I'm not sure. Yeah,
Actually,
this is for the incident table
I
only.
have tried in IT vendor scope and this global scope.
Right. No, you shouldn't do that actually because this incident table all belongs to this uh, global scope, right? Yeah, change it to the
Yes.
IT vendor management scope and deactivate those two. I think that might be the reason. So if anyone is feel that it's
Yes.
not working, deactivate it. Okay.
Got it.
And don't bother about the scope here. So the incident table is in global scope. You should create in the global scope only.
Okay.
Definitely. Now open the first client script. First one. No, not first one. Okay, you have to deactivate the first one also. Fine. Now change it. So yeah, change the scope and make it active. And actually, this code is wrong. The method is wrong here.
Okay.
Can anyone can anyone help? What is wrong in this in the code? And you removed the out of the box code. Actually, for now it doesn't matter. For now it
Okay.
should work definitely, but you shouldn't remove the out of the box code. Okay. Yeah, it's better. Yeah, no, just save it.
Okay.
Now refresh the incident form and just see.
Perfect. Yeah.
So that's the problem. We're having
Yes.
multiple client scripts.
Yes.
So I think all the client scripts are having same order. So it's executing something. So something is happening.
Right.
Okay.
Got it.
I
Yeah.
think someone also said that it's not working. I think the same reason might be.
Yes.
Okay.
Like because we have tried in like multiple scope, like in
Multiple and
global and
all are active. No, see, you tried in global scope, but you have created 3 client scripts, and you created 2 client scripts in IT vendor management
yes.
scope for incident table.
Right.
Okay, yeah.
Yeah.
So mostly in real time, we won't create scoped applications. Okay, but you should have the knowledge of creating scoped applications. Okay,
Okay.
mostly you will use all these things only. Mostly you won't create a scoped application. 99% cases because I haven't seen any of my people, my colleagues creating a scoped application. Any one of my senior creating scope application, but you should know it. Hey, there's nothing, right? Just creating a scope application, but everything is same. Apart from
Yeah.
scope application, everything is same, right? Yeah, that's
Yes.
it. Okay,
So
stop your
Kalki
screen
here
sharing. Yeah,
in else like what
you
should
should
be
write
the
it.
return value?
In else you should write. What you should write? Anyone? Can anyone help?
Return is equal to
Why you should?
false.
Why you'll write return? So if the state value is in progress, you make it mandatory. What if the state is not in
Okay.
progress? What should happen?
False.
False. Yeah.
False in the sense?
Like this
Set mandatory
system
false.
set yes, set mandatory
Yeah, the field
assignment
should be
group false.
non-mandatory. So you should write that
Yeah.
particular method
Yeah.
in else block. Okay, so you should write that
Yes.
also. Yeah.
Yes. Yes.
So you should try to try to debugging like this anamata through this add info message or add error message. So if you feel something is not running, you should check whether at least the client script is running or not. Okay.
Yes, Kalki.
So
Got it.
debugging also you should able to know.
Yes.
As it's just a small script, it's fine. But if it's a big script, you should check where the script is not running until where the script is running. You gave the wrong. You're in the wrong direction, Prasad. You should
Yes.
give a flower parenthesis. Flower, I think, yeah, curly parenthesis, curly brackets, not a
Okay.
normal parenthesis. Yeah, you can do it later, okay? Just save,
Yes.
stop
Yes.
the screen
Yeah.
sharing.
Sure.
Now, let me show you set value example, okay?
Okay.
So if I show you set value now, so I can give 2 or 3 use cases for set value and one for this attachments. For that, let me show you this new value and old value thing. So we have the out of the box variables, right? In the out of the box on change script, like new value, old value, is loading, on template, something like that, right? So we will mostly use this is loading and new value, old value. So let me show you what actually it is. So my instance is, oh, okay. So in the out of the box method, you'll have these variables. If you see new value, old value, and easy loading and template. I'll say you template later. But now let's concentrate on new value and old value. Okay. So you're writing on client script, right? But you're selecting some field name there, right? Nonsense script, you're selecting some field name, right? So so old value. Firstly, when we refresh the form, new value, old value will have the values of that particular field when the form loads. Consider the state field is having new value when the form loads. So old value variable also consists the new only, and new value also consists the value as new only. Okay, but when you change this state field, so in that case, new value will have the new value of the state field, but
Okay.
old value will have the value of which, like when the form loading will have the state field will having a value, right? So old value will having that value only, but you might not able to understand. Let my instance open. So if I just show, you can understand it. Let me show you for category field so you can understand, because the category field choices, the backend names also will be same like the front end labels, so you'll not get confused. So if we like anyway in any script, it might be on submit, on load, on set, all those, we'll be using these methods only, except in on edit. In all the other three scripting places, we'll use the same methods. So just the execution place will be different. Nothing different from that. Anyways, I have created one client script previously, so let me use that same by changing, yeah, on change. Let me open it, and meanwhile let me open the incident form also. Okay. My internet is slow or what? Can anyone by chance share your screen, please?
Yes, welcome, sharing. Yeah.
Yeah, open the, yeah, create a new client script.
Okay.
Not this.
Sorry. नंबर सेव करेंगे ना
Uh,
just a
create on
second.
change the client script for category field.
Okay. For me also it is like loading. I don't know why.
Think the instance problem.
I think so. Let's see. Okay. It should. Okay. Not
Guys, tomorrow we are having the class. Okay, please plan accordingly.
Yep.
The same time, or you want to change the timings? It's okay. Yeah, let's go. Okay, I will ask in the group. So, because some people might be having some plans at night, right? So as per that, we can just try. Yeah,
So like
give some name. Give some name.
okay. So
Table, incident table. Okay,
launch engine.
Niketan. Okay, I think you're asking to repeat the old value, new value concept, right? Yeah, I'm going to show you that for category field.
So करके it
Category
will be
field,
okay. Yeah.
because we previously loaded for state. So no problem. So I pasted some code in the chat. Please copy and paste it there.
Okay, sure.
And anyone know is knowing what does that code does?
Like the
Anyone
one
have
with
any idea? The code which I pasted in the chat.
Add info old value plus old value.
What I'm actually
Type
doing
miss-
with the two lines.
Okay, I think it will show if any changes happens in the form or something, then it will show the old value and the new value as well, both, I guess.
Yes, yes, that's what. So say if you want to append any string to variable, like this you should do. You should give that string in inverted commas and you should give plus and the variable name. Okay, like this you should append. If you want to append another string to after old value, then you should add again plus after old value before brackets. Like that you can append a variable to the string in this way. Okay, okay.
yeah.
So what I'm doing is like what does this client script actually does is whenever the category field is changing, it will display what is the old value and what is the new value. Okay, must save this and open any existing incident.
Yeah,
I
correct,
hope
sure.
everyone understood what does this tool and work, right?
Yeah.
I think you're trying to debug this code in some JavaScript compiler, right? It doesn't work like that because these APIs are for service now
Okay.
only. Okay.
Right. Oh,
Okay.
sorry.
Now see.
Yep.
Now see.
I have
Can
to
you
open a
open this?
new one, right?
No, existing one.
Okay, existing. Yeah.
Now what is the category? What is the
So your
category?
category
Now
is
what is the
select.
category?
Inquiry help.
Okay. Remember it. Now change the category to some another category.
Okay.
What's it showing?
So it's showing old value inquiry, new value software.
Yeah.
Understood?
Okay. Yes,
Answer
got it.
Okay,
understood?
okay,
Yeah.
okay.
Now remove it. Remove the info message.
Will
Click
it
on into.
will it
No,
show
wait,
in the
wait, wait,
work notes
wait,
as well?
wait, wait. If you see, if you want to update in the work notes, you can update it. So anyway, you haven't saved it yet. So it not updated in the activity filter. Why are asking
Okay.
about work notes?
No, I'm just telling like there are some records like somebody edited something. You told about that in the
Yeah,
last
it's
class, I
activity
guess.
filter. Yeah. If you save it,
Activity filter. Yeah.
yeah. If you save it, it will be updated anywhere down. Okay.
Okay.
When the form is loading, it's inquiry help. Now it's software, right? Right? Now change the category to hardware, something else, not inquiry. Change it to some hardware.
Okay. Yeah.
Now what's happening?
Now also it is popping up like old value, inquiry, new value, and hardware.
Did you understood the old value concept here?
Yes.
Yes.
What is the concept there?
So it will just show the previous one and the current one.
When the form is loading, that value is old value.
Yes, that is the old value. When the form is loading,
Yeah.
whatever the value that the particular field is having,
That is
it
the
will be
old
the
one.
old value. And the
Right.
new value will be whatever the that you are changing,
Changes we are
that
doing
will be the
currently.
new value. Okay, but the old value will be permanent. Whatever the value that the field is holding while the form is loading, that will be definitely the old value. Okay, na?
Yes,
Got
got
it?
it.
Okay. So
Yeah.
if I change from hardware to software, the old value will not change to hardware. It will still remain
Yeah, the old
inquiry.
will be inquiry only. Yes,
Okay.
that's it.
Because the
That's the
form
point of
was
this
loaded
old
from
value.
inquiry.
Yeah, old value
Okay.
and
Okay.
new value. Okay. So a requirement today is
Yeah.
once again refresh the form, Prasad, please.
Yeah.
So what is the priority now?
So it's
Low,
Priority.
yeah,
low.
it's low,
Yeah. So
and it's yeah.
yeah, consider there is a requirement like client want an info message to be displayed whenever the priority is changed. Whenever the priority is changed. So I want in this way. Now the priority is low, right? Now change the
Yes,
priority. How will the priority will be changed? If you change impact or urgency, it will be changed, right?
yes,
Now
Yeah.
change anything, change impact or urgency. Yeah, enough. It will be changed. Prasad, see,
yeah,
it depends upon the impact or urgency. Even if you change impact, it will be changed. Okay,
correct.
even if you change urgency
Yes,
also, it will be changed. Okay,
yeah,
firstly, it was low. Now it was critical, right? So now
yes,
I want information saying that priority is changed. Okay. Now
Okay.
again make this priority low. I don't know
Okay.
what is the low mapping. I think impact
Um,
is low and urgency is
urgency is low, then it is, oh, sorry, okay. Urgency,
okay. So
let's,
is medium, I believe. Medium.
yeah,
Yeah. Now that I don't want the information to be displayed because when the
okay.
formula is showing, it's already low.
Yeah,
Okay, understood.
yes,
So only when the priority is changed. So when the format is having some priority, but if
correct.
you're if the value of the priority is something apart from the priority when the format is loading, then the information should be displayed. Understood? So now it's low. If you make it high, then the message should be displayed. Again, if you make it low, the information should not be displayed. Okay, got it?
Right.
Okay.
Yes,
Got it?
Okay.
Got
yes,
it?
correct. Yeah.
Yeah.
I think my instance is working perfectly now. Don't stop the screen sharing. Wait.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's working. You can stop the screen sharing, Prasad.
Yeah, I've stopped it.
Yeah. So I have a question for you. Actually, I believe you don't know it because I haven't said it. But just, anyways, you can just Google it.
Okay.
Okay. I want to know. So if I use gform.get value for state, will I get the front end name or back end value?
So while scripting or
Your
like
front end name.
Scripting.
then backend name, I believe.
Back end name, definitely.
Yes,
Because in the requirement also you have done right gform.get value of state equal to 2. Right?
correct.
So you get the
Yes.
back end
Yes,
names, so not the front end labels. So if you see for
right.
So who is
category,
the backend?
the same backend names. Okay,
Backend
even
names,
if
yes, yes.
anything is backend names. But what
Okay.
about this reference fields?
Yeah.
What value will I get? If I use gform.get value of assignment group, what value will I get? Will I get this
Sys
cab
ID.
The
approval?
Yes,
I think
sys
I
ID,
think the
yes.
front end name.
Like cab approval? Okay, Jagadish is saying cab approval and Prasad is saying sys ID
System
of the
ID.
cab approval.
Yes,
Yes, that is the exact answer. So if I try to retrieve the value of any reference field, I will get the sys ID of that record.
yeah,
Okay, this is cab approval record, right? If I use gform.get value of assignment group, I will get
Mhm.
the sys ID of this cab approval record. Got it?
Mhm.
So let me just try it.
yes,
Okay, so when the state changes, okay, so when the state changes, gform.get value of
yeah.
assignment
Assignment underscore group.
group. That's it.
Yeah,
And but it will not work. I should give gform.get and add info message, right?
yes,
Because I should display it. So what will I do by what will I do if the value is written? It won't do anything until we display it.
right.
For message of just let me save. So if
Yeah.
I change the state value, I will get the value of the assignment group. Okay, just remember
Right.
like that. Just let me refresh it.
Okay.
If you want to compare, you can compare. If you're having any doubt on me that I'm saying something wrong, so it was B85.
Yes, it is there. Sys
Okay.
ID is, yeah.
So now I have a question for you. If I want to set value to the reference field, will I put this sys or the front end label?
Sys ID.
Definitely sys, right?
Yeah.
So now the requirement is
Decided.
let's do this.
Okay.
So if the category is hardware, I want this assign group to be populated with hardware group. Got it?
Okay. Yeah.
So if I make it software, this group field should be populated with software
Software group.
group.
Okay.
Now I will do it only hardware, but in today's requirement, you should do it for hardware, software, network also. If
Yeah.
if the hardware or software network group is not available for you in the group table, just create it. Okay.
Mhm.
Now
Yeah.
let me invest. I'll use the same client script. Okay, but you should So let me make it category
It is.
and see previously you're using this g from dot get value for state, right? Now, anyways, I
Yes.
want to access the field. Anyways, now I want to access the value of the category field only. So I can use this new value, right? So, right? Actually, you can
Yes.
use it. Okay, you can use g from dot get value of category or new value also. But if you want to access any other field value apart from category, you should definitely use g form dot get value of that field name only. Got it?
Okay. So
Because
no, Karti, I actually
previously you
want
have
the
seen,
logic.
right? Yeah. Hmm?
So Karti, what is the logic like for new value? Like as
Hmm.
we were for state field, we were getting the putting the input as to get the value of the state,
Okay, wait,
whether it
let
is
me say, wait. This new value and old value, these variables will refer to this particular field. Got it?
okay. Yes. Yes.
Only
I think
for
you
the
got it now.
category.
Yes. Got it.
Yeah, only for the, if you want to access the category field value, you can
Mm-hmm.
use this new value.
Okay.
Okay, as
Okay.
per this
It is
requirement, you should
not
definitely use
applicable
this
to
new
any
value
other
only.
field.
Yeah, yeah. This new value, old value will only
Okay,
refer
okay,
to this
okay.
particular field. But if you want to access any
Okay.
other field apart from this field name, then you should use this g from dot get that field name. But
That
now,
particular
if you
field name.
want to
Yeah.
access, yeah, if you want to access this category field, you can use new value or else g from dot get value of category. Anything works, no problem.
Correct.
Okay.
Yes. Yes.
But
Yes.
anyway, I
Okay.
don't. I'm just a bit lazy.
Yeah.
I will use this new value. Okay. If
Okay.
new value equal to what I should write now? I want to do it only for hardware. So
So we
hardware
have to go for hardware SSID. No, sorry. Here this yes.
backend name
Yeah. Backend
Backend
name
name.
for
hardware.
hardware is hardware.
Hardware.
And what should
Yeah.
happen if it is hardware?
It should show the category should be
Show or populate. You
Populate.
should
It
use
populate.
should
populate.
populate.
Yeah, yeah.
You auto populate the hardware
Populate the
group, right?
assignment group.
Yes.
Hardware
Yeah.
assignment group. Yeah.
G form. What is the method?
Here, not mandatory. Okay, it's here we can do.
Set value.
No, get value, get display, I
Set
guess.
value.
Value.
Set value.
Wait,
Okay,
why
Set
set
say
value.
display? Why set
I
display?
say,
Okay.
I
Anyways,
say,
I forgot to share this particular
Yeah,
notepad. I'll
yeah.
share it.
I was searching for it actually on the drive, but
Okay.
I didn't find that.
Okay. I forgot to, yeah. Set
Huh.
value. So it's like, remember like this, if you want to get any value, field value, you should get value. If you want
yeah,
to set any field value, you will set value. Okay?
Mhm.
To
okay.
which field you want to set? I want to set for
Assignment
assignment
group.
group.
Assignment
Yes,
group.
Assignment group. What is the value that you want to set? Hardware
Hardware.
group.
hardware.
So
Hardware
let me
group.
go, yeah. Let me go to the groups table and let me search for the hardware group.
Side of the, yeah.
Yeah. So it's better to just do it like this. So either you can copy the sys ID of that by going into the record, or else from outside the record from the list also you can just copy the sys ID. That's not a problem.
Okay.
Just copy like this. Right click, copy sys ID. Okay,
Okay.
and it will definitely copy it. So I should
Yes.
give this sys ID in string or normally.
SysID will be string.
String.
Yeah.
I think you told about some Chrome extension that automatically populates the SSID
Yes,
or
yes.
something.
No, not the SysID. It will populate the backend
The
name.
backend name.
Double
Backend
click.
name.
Backend name.
Yes.
Yeah.
Like
Yeah.
this, double click backend names. So yeah, I'm asking this question is like it should be given in inverted commas or not. It should be given in inverted commas.
Yes. Yes.
Yes.
Let's refresh this. Hello? Oh.
Kalki, I guess some
Yeah,
network issue is there. It's
issue. Yeah, it got disconnected. Yeah, it got connected anyway. Now
yeah.
let me change the category. So it was inquiry help, it was cap approval. So let me change it to hardware.
Okay.
Did not got changed. So there's something problem with my code. I think it not got saved. It got timed out.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think category active on change category hardware new value equal to hardware. Oh, sorry, it was I gave 3+. Let me refresh now.
So Kalki, it's assigned group. It's not assignment group.
Oh, backend name.
Okay. Yes. Right.
Got it? See?
Yes.
Perfect. Now you should do it for software, hardware, and network. The same requirement. And the other requirement is on change request table. Please don't lag these requirements, okay? I think it's interesting, isn't it?
Yeah.
It is. Yes.
Yes.
So what you should do is like for the change request table,
Yeah.
um, we have a field, right? Cab required field, right? So when the risk is I, when the risk, see, consider if the risk is changed to I, this cab required field should be automatically true and read only.
Okay.
Okay.
Got it.
So that is another requirement. And another requirement is okay. Um, mm, mm, where was yeah. Let me show that one. This was a get reference method. If you remember, we have this get reference method, right? Get reference
Yes.
here. So let me just say what is the use of that method. So this is a reference field. This is a reference field, right?
Yes.
What the
Yes.
reference field does? It will refer to some record of some table. Okay, if you consider this particular record, these are all the fields within that particular record, right? Right?
Okay.
Yeah.
If you
Yes.
want to access the fields of the reference record, you will use that get reference method. If you want to access the fields of the reference record, then you will
Okay.
use this get reference method. Now, let me try to access the email and manager field value of this reference field record. Okay. Now, what
Okay.
the requirement is? So whenever I give some user as affected user, I want to populate that user's email and manager automatically. I want to auto populate the affected user's email and manager in these two fields. Actually, these two fields were created by me. Okay, these fields will not be available for you because it was a custom fields. So you should create these two fields. Okay, email field and manager field. Okay, let me
Okay.
do that. Okay, I don't want to create multiple clients because I'm just explaining, but you should create multiple clients as per the requirement. Okay, because you should show me, right? So let me, so for which field I'll create the on change client script. Hmm? For
Affected
which
Affected
user.
user.
field?
Affected user.
Perfect. Very good. So I'll search for affected user. Perfect. And let me make this everything as comment. Okay. Now,
Yeah.
so I want to access this reference field record fields, right?
Yes.
Right. So
Yeah.
let me do this. Declare some variable like
Okay.
var user. Okay. Use g underscore form dot get reference.
Reference.
Which field we are thinking of? Affected
Email.
user.
Yes.
Affected
Affected
user field.
user.
Yeah.
Caller
So
ID.
what is backend name? Caller ID.
Color underscore ID. Yeah.
Now just see it. Okay. G underscore form dot get value of
Mm-hmm.
let me yeah you underscore email you underscore manage
You understand email.
underscore email. I want to set the set value. Sorry, which is get value set value now.
Yeah.
Uh, Just see it. User dot email. Anyone is having any doubt with this? I can access this particular field reference record field values through this object.
Okay.
And see, in this particular record, the email field backend name is email only. So I have done user dot email. See, it's not like you should give only user. It depends. It's like your wish actually. But if it is user somewhat related, right? That's
Yeah.
the reason I gave it as user. Okay.
Okay.
And next, I want to access the manager field. I want to set the manager field value also. So now what will I give here? User dot
Manager.
manager. Okay, actually in this the manager field backend name is manager only. I know
Yeah,
it. If
manager.
you want to check it, you can check it. Save. Anyone having any doubt with this method?
So
Just
yeah,
dot
what exactly user is referring, like what user is referring over here? Like user is the caller, right?
yeah, it is referring to this record, referring to this caller field record
Okay.
in this case. In this case. Okay.
Okay.
If you want to
Okay.
access any field values of this field
Mm-hmm.
record, then you use that particular variable dot whatever the field name.
Okay.
Simple.
Got it.
Any doubt? Anyone?
No.
See, actually, it doesn't matter. You can use single inverted commas or double inverted commas. It doesn't matter. Okay.
Okay.
But
Okay.
here you should give only single inverted commas because you are comparing. Okay.
Got it. So we have declared this like variable as user, right?
Yeah. Your wish you can
Okay.
declare A, B, or C, D, or your name
Got
also,
it.
but
So
it's not relevant, right? Because in the code review, it will not be moved to the test.
exactly.
Okay.
So user,
Because the
exactly.
variable name should be somewhat relevant to the requirement, should be definitely somewhat relevant to the requirement. I can give
Correct.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, I can give Kalki, I can give your name, my name, any name. But no, it
Right.
doesn't, it should not be like that. Let me just save it. Now,
Yeah.
just let me just refresh this form.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Now I should change this to some other user.
Okay.
Because it will work only when you change it, right?
Yes. It is on change.
Got it. But it don't got the manager. I think the manager is not there. Perfect, the manager is not there. But you
Yeah,
got
manager
same
is
there.
not
actually.
there.
So you should create these two fields. I think for ability it will definitely be there. See?
Yeah, it is there.
Yeah.
So
But if
Abel
you
is
observe,
actually a person.
is a user.
Okay. No,
I
actually
think it's
he's
not. I think whether it's there in real time or not. But mostly
That's-
all of the instances will have this ability to record, and most of the people will use this record only. Even me.
okay.
Most of the people, if anyone if any name comes to their mind for testing or something, they'll first thing is ability. Don't I think
Okay.
it'll be in the first place, right? A, B. So I think it'll definitely
Ah,
be in the
yeah,
first
that's why.
place of the user
Yes.
table. So it will be much recognizable.
Convenient.
So that's
Yes.
the problem. But see now,
Sure.
if you make it empty,
Okay.
the values are getting cleared.
No,
No.
it's not getting cleared.
I want
Else
this
we'll
to be
type
cleared.
else. Yeah. Else
I don't know
false.
Using
what
else
you will do,
statement.
but
Okay.
it should be cleared. If you
Okay.
if you use else, it won't work.
Okay.
If you
Okay.
use else, it won't work. But
Mhm.
there is a way in this client script only,
Okay.
in this 2, 3, 4 lines only, not 2, 3, 4, even in second line only.
Okay. Okay.
I don't want to say. I want
Okay.
you to explore. I want to do that.
Okay. Got it.
Because see, if you are a user, if you are trying to open an incident, if it's not about being perfect, yeah, it's perfect. But if you make it empty, it should be empty, right? Right?
Yes. Yes.
Logically. But it's not getting empty. There is a reason actually in this client script only. I wanted to
Okay.
explore. It's very simple actually. It's not such difficult. It's very simple.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
So let me
Should we edit something after the return or something?
actually. Um,
The return was
you'll get it in the community definitely.
What
Mostly.
about clear field value?
Actually, you have this clear value method also, I believe. But that's not. See, even use clear value method. It's different actually. So what's happening, see? So if
New
you're
value is
making it empty, right?
different.
So you're
Yeah.
yeah, that's what here. You're making it empty, right? So this
Yes.
block is returning true. See what is happening here? New value equal to empty. So
Empty.
when it is
Yes.
empty, what's happening? It is returning. That means the code is
Returning.
stopping.
Correct.
The code is
Right.
not that code will not run, it will stop. So it
Yeah.
won't even come down. That's the
Correct.
problem.
Okay, okay,
So
okay, okay.
you can make this particular new value as comment.
Yeah.
Okay.
So that it will
I
go to
don't
the
want
next
to
loop.
remove. Actually, I don't want to remove. So make it as comment.
Yeah.
And here somewhere you write else if new value equal to empty g from dot get value of call ready equal to empty, like it will work. Okay.
Yeah.
This is the problem actually.
Can't
Yeah.
so can't we return that return thing false? Can't we make the return thing false or something?
But mostly return false. I think return false won't work. Actually, you can even remove this, or you can even make it comment. You can
Okay,
even remove this logic also. But if you remove if logic, it will work in different way. It's not
okay,
working in the
okay,
way actually. But the best way is make it comment or remove it. But mostly make it comment. It look better. Okay.
okay,
Okay.
okay.
Yeah.
So firstly is assignment. Let me make it short. Yeah, let me make it short. One category on like I mentioned also on change. CS means client scripts. Okay. When category is hardware assignment group should be auto populated with hardware group. I'm liking that everyone is following the session actually. I'm getting very good answers. Same way. And it is software. It should be software. See, I say that if there are no groups, just create those groups. Same way, if it is network, it should be network group. And I have shown you the priority requirement, right? When
Yes.
priority is changed to anything other than the priority which
Maybe
how
high or
shall I
something.
no, it's not like I, right? Another priority is changed, it should be displayed. So when the form node, it will have some priority, right? So if you change priority to anything
Yes.
apart from the priority when the form when the whatever the priority that the form what are the priority the
Okay,
form is having the loading, it should be display the message.
okay. Like any change in the priority column will show a message. That kind of stuff, maybe.
Yes. Yeah, my priority change to anything other than okay, let me I think you'll understand it, right? Anyway, I just said you.
Yeah.
This should be the info message like priority is changed. Okay. Next,
Yep.
manager and email. So like create two fields. Manager email on inc form. When caller uh,
So Kalki, this manager and email, both the form, both the field types are reference, right?
no email is string. Manager is
Okay.
reference field. Okay.
Reference. Okay. Yeah.
How will you give my email as a reference field?
Correct.
All right.
Oops.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And when the risk is high, cab required field should be
Visible and
true
valid.
and
Oh, yes.
read only. Okay,
Okay.
it should be true and read only so that it should not be changed. Okay,
Yeah. Okay.
tomorrow I will explain all our client scripts. We will use the same methods. That's different
Okay.
actually. I want this to be done, and if anyone is having any pending work from the previous class, I want it to be done also. Okay, please don't. Okay,
Yeah. Sure.
please.
Okay.
I think everyone is understanding.
Yes.
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 Okay then. Yeah. Bye bye.
Okay. Yeah. Bye-bye.
All right.
Good night.
Bye-bye.
Bye bye.
Bye.
Good
I will upload
night.
these methods also. Okay.
Okay.
Sure.
Okay.
And tomorrow we have like at 8 p.m., right? Or
I'll
any
just
changes?
I'll just ask in the group.
Okay.
So you might
Sure.
be having some plans in the night, right? So it will be better if
Right.
you can connect it in the morning. I think
Okay.
right?
Yeah,
Or
I
anything
guess
to
so.
Yeah.
say?
Like
No.
I'm okay with
Morning.
the Nikhil. So